In this video, we are going to use Wondershare Demo Creator to screen record your desktop on your Windows 11 PC. While there are many tools, we'll use Wondershare Demo Creator for demonstration. Here's how. Download and install Wondershare Demo Creator from the official site. The download link will be in the description box below as well. Press Windows and S, type Wondershare Demo Creator, and launch it. Click on New Recording. The window will minimize and a new window will appear along with a selection box. Inside the window, under Zone Capture, select the area and resolution of your screen recording. The menu has various options. We have selected Full Screen for this. Next, there will be toggles next to System Audio, Microphone, and Webcam. If you want to record audio as well, we'll just turn the toggle on next to Audio, and that's it. The same applies for the other options. Now, beneath, make sure the Export Express option is selected. Press on Record. Now a timer will appear after which your recording has begun. Once recording is done, tap on the Stop button at the menu bar. The preview window will appear from where you can click on Export Express to export your video file. That's it. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.